Hello viewers, this is Shrikant. Welcome to my YouTube channel. From today onwards, I am going to teach you a new series in our channel. The series name is Candlestick Patterns from Basics to Advanced. So, what is a candlestick pattern? The definition is arrangement of different kind of candlesticks in a particular way is called candlestick pattern. Okay, let me give you an example to understand a candlestick pattern. So this is a candle and this also a small candle and this is a another candle. So these three candles combine to form a pattern. So this pattern is called a candlestick pattern. Candlestick pattern. So here, what is this candle and what is this candle and what is this candle? So what is a candlestick? Then what is a candlestick? Here, candlestick is a way of showing the information about an asset's price momentum. So let me give an example of candlestick. So this is a candlestick. With this we cannot understand anything, right? So if we wanted to understand the market, first we understand the market behavior, right? So how we understand the market behavior? Here we understand the market behavior based on a particular candlestick. Okay, and how we understand the candlestick here? With this we cannot understand, right? So how we understand? So here there are four aspects to understand this candlestick, which are: first one, opening price. Opening price. Opening price. Second one, closing price. And third one, high of the candle. And fourth one, low of the candle. So let me give one example to understand these four aspects. Okay, let's consider the market is trending up, which means the market is in bullish trend. So let me draw a big green candle, which means the market is going up, which means a bullish candle. So we can apply our four aspects, which are opening price, closing price, high and low. So here the market is bullish trend, so this is the opening price. This is the opening price and this is the closing price. This is the closing price and this is the low and this is the high. So let me explain in details. So this is the opening price where market open and then after some time market fall to this level, which is a low price, and market again recovered to high above the opening price. This is high and this is a low, and market again come down and closed here. This is the closing price. Okay, and opening price is below the closing price, which means closing price is above the opening price, so the market is up. Okay, the market is up. Why? Because opening price is below the closing price, or this closing price above the opening price. Here we marking this opening price and closing price range. You can see this is a candlestick formed here, which means from here it's a closing price, and here it's a opening price, and here it's a low, and here it's a high. So here opening price is below the closing price, so the market up. We represent this candle as a bullish candle, which means the market is moving up. Okay, similarly in a bearish market, here the market opened here and moved some up, and again market fell down to this area and again recovered to this area and closed here. So this is the opening price and this is the closing price, and this is the low of the day and this is the high of the day. So we marking this area, and this is formed, and here it forms a candle which is a bearish candle. How we know it is a bearish candle? Because opening price is above the closing price, which means opened here and closed here, opened here and closed here, which means the market is falling down, which means it's a bear market. In generally bullish market or bullish candles, we represents bullish candles in green color. So bullish candles means in green color. Represents bearish candles are in a red color. So this is a red color, means bearish. This is bullish. Okay, we see the difference, how this candle is different from this candle. Okay, watch carefully. This is the green candle. Why this is a green candle or why this is a bullish candle? Because its opening price is below the closing price, which means the market closed up or above the opening price. Okay, this is the low and this is the high, which means the market is moving up. Okay, this is opening price and this is closing price. So we represent this candle as a green. Similarly, in a bearish candle or bearish market, we represents the candle in the form of red. Why this is the red? Because its opening price is above the closing price, which means the market is opened here and closed here, which means the market is coming down. and this is the low and this is the high. So here, if opening is below and closing is high or above, this means market is moving up. So any candle formed in this range is called bullish candle or a green candle. If market is open above and closed below, which means the market is downtrend, which means it's a bearish trend. Or any candle formed in this range is called a red candle or bearish candle. Many fellow traders are using different kind of or different colors of candles based on their usage. Here green candle and red candle are mostly or widely used candles. Green candle is a bullish candle, red candle is a bearish candle. Okay, so let me give some questions and give me answers in the comment section. First one, this is bearish candle or bullish candle. Here this is the closing price and here this is the opening price. And second example is this pattern, this candle, which is bearish or bullish. Only comment bearish or bullish. And third one is this candle, high and low, low. This is opening price and this is closing price. Closing price. This is bearish or bullish. Comment only bearish or bullish. And fourth one is this candle. It opened here and closed here. Closed here. This is the high and this is the low. Comment only bearish or bullish. And fifth example is this candle. It opened here and it closed here. This is the low and this is the high. Comment only bearish or bullish. And sixth example is this candle. It opened here and closed here, and this is a high and this is a low. Last one is this candle. It opened here and it's closed here, and this is the high and this is the low. Thank you for watching the video, and also comment all the answers if you know. Don't worry if you don't know, I will teach you detailedly in every session. So don't forget to watch all videos and subscribe to my channel, comment, like or share the video. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.